The Linksys router internet light blinking orange is often an indication of a firmware malfunction. Firmware, essentially the software within the router, plays a crucial role in its operation. When issues arise, several solutions can be applied to resolve the problem. A simple and effective solution is to reboot the router by unplugging it from the power source, waiting for it to restart, and then plugging it back in, allowing it to reconnect to the network service. Another solution is to update the firmware, which can be done by connecting the router to an internet service and downloading the latest features, then following the manufacturer's instructions for installation. If these steps do not resolve the issue, a factory reset may be necessary, which involves pressing and holding the power button for 30 seconds. Then releasing it and allowing the router to reset. After a factory reset, the router will need to be reconfigured according to the manufacturer's instructions. If the blinking orange light persists, it may be necessary to contact the manufacturer's customer support for further assistance.